As we know that, as we know that, work is actually the product of force and displacement. And let's consider an object. Suppose we have an object like this, and this is the original location of, suppose this is the original location of the object. This is the location of an object, and suppose some force is applied on it in upward direction to move it from one point to another point. Suppose a force is applied on it in upward direction, and the object is moved away from the earth surface like this, and the object is going in upward direction like this. And now suppose the object is somewhere here and the force is kind of here. Okay, now you can see the object has traveled some displacement from here to here. This is the displacement traveled by the object, and it is actually the height from the earth surface. So displacement traveled is actually equal to of height traveled by the object. And now the next thing is how much force is applied on it. The term force is here, is this force, this force. Force is equal to the weight of the object, and displacement traveled is the height traveled by the object. So we can replace them, like force would become weight of the object, and displacement is actually the height traveled by the object, and this is called work done. And now we know that weight is mg, and now we have a new formula for weight, or for work, sorry. So when work is done to move an object away from the earth surface, that is given by mgh. And we know that this work done is going to be stored in an object. As we move this object away from the surface, we are doing some work on it. That work is going to be stored in this object in the form of energy. That is called gravitational potential energy. So this work, which is done on an object to move it from the earth's surface, is actually going to be stored in an object in the form of potential energy. So this work would become potential energy. Okay. So one thing is clear. Whenever an object is moved away from the Earth's surface, away from the gravitational field, within the gravitational field, if we move away from the center of the Earth, we need to do some work against that attraction of the Earth or gravity of the Earth. So that work is going to be stored in the object, and that would become the potential energy of that object. So this is how work and potential energy are related. Gravitational potential energy, sorry. So this is gravitational potential energy.